welcome to our lesson 2 of African drum with singing. Today, we are going to continue with our song Silang Mabele. We are going to continue with the third verse of Silang Mabele, which is our last verse. I hope you guys still remember our drum beats. Our third verse is gonna go like this. Mabele, 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 silang mabele, ageli siling mabele, 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 silang mabele, silang mabele, 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 silang mabele. We are going to try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mabele, 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 silang mabele, ageli siling mabele, 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 silang mabele, silang mabele, 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 silang mabele. Now we are going to sing it while playing the African drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mabele, 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 silang mabele, ageli siling mabele, 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 silang mabele, silang mabele, 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 silang mabele. We are going to try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mabele, 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 silang mabele, ageli siling mabele, 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 silang mabele, silang mabele, 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 silang mabele. This is the end of our lesson 2 of African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.